Today I have for you a furniture moving kit, and this is so cool. I can't wait to show you. But what this is you've got different dollies in here, right? That go like on the corners of your furniture, and then they allow you to move heavy things like couches, tables, appliances, whatever. Heavy, you need to lift it. This is a great kit. So everything comes very conveniently in a bag like this. You've got 4 of these. So these are the little dollies themselves. And they've got these protective pads on here. And then you see it's just got that little bit of the lip too. And so that will help to like not have anything slide off. So really important in the positioning of these. So you get 4 of these kits, or 4 of these dollies. Then you also get these like lifters, right? And these kind of have a dual purpose. So you can put these on here if you need more height, possibly, if you've got like one side that's bigger than the other. Or you can actually use these as, let me get that on there the right way, leverage. Let me show you that. So you get 4 of these, 4 little 1-inch risers. Get a pair of work gloves. Also, some additional protection pads. But let me just show you for your furniture. You're going to go ahead and stick. This dolly comes in two pieces. Just goes together like that. Now, when I talked about the leverage, so like my table, if I can't get under the foot of the table, but I can get under the bottom ledge, you're going to stick this in here. This gives you more height to actually use the dolly. So pretty cool. I need to move this couch, so let me get this set up and I'll show you how it works. Now here I'm using the lift bar with 2 of those plastic lifters, gaining a little leverage so I can slide that in the corner. Now let me go over and do the other side of the sofa. Get that in. Let's move. Oops. Ooh, look at all the dust balls. I can't believe I forgot that these rolled off. Ah! And with a few simple tools, I was able to move my couch just like that. Now, I lost 2 of these as I was moving it because I didn't have them lined up correctly. So that is why it is important to make sure these are lined up correctly. These are recliner couches, and I didn't have it quite under the mechanicals of this. I had it more on the edge. So when I started to move it, they stayed on the right side, but they didn't stay on the left side. So, but really, it even made it still easier to move. So really a great kit, high quality. I couldn't recommend it enough.